Mzakizek denied entry into the SABC because of his mask. When Mzakizek pitched up at the SABC recently for an interview at Lisadai FM, the last thing he expected was to be denied entry to the building. The artist was meant to have an interview but was stopped at security and told that he would not be allowed past the machines unless he took his mask off. Speaking to Chwisa Live, DJ Sbu said that he received a phone call from Mzakizek explaining how he was told by security that the SABC was a national key point and that protocol meant all visitors to the building had to remove their masks. Sbu says that a team from Lisadai FM tried to convince security to let him through and that they knew it was Mzakizek, but were told the only way to possibly get him in the building would be to identify the man behind the mask. They said he must go into a room and take off his mask so that they could see who it was. Mzakizek said that he doesn't take his mask off for anything. They were calling me because they thought it was me, behind the mask. He later had to do the interview via telephone. Although the SABC have yet to comment on the matter, DJ Sbu said he understood that broadcaster had certain safety rules to uphold, but he would be writing to its bosses to try ensure that it doesn't happen again. We said that we, as a record label, will send an email to the SABC to take up the matter because Mzakizek does need the SABC. It is a broadcast hub. We have a great relationship with the SABC and we don't think it was anything malicious. I just think it is protocol and they didn't want to get in trouble. What if someone says, why did you let a guy with a mask in here? What if he was coming to rob people?